Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Neha Tanka. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. So here I am with yet another timeless energy update. Today we are going to see what are the current thoughts and feelings of your person towards you right now. What are they going through? What the past has been? What the uh, present situation is like, and what the future holds for you. Basically, their actions towards you, towards this connection. What are they going to do in the remaining days of this particular month? So you already know the drill. Close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and take your person's name and hit the like button to connect with my energies, and drop I claim in the comment section. So this particular reading is going to resonate with people who have hit the right like button and who has dropped the comments in the comment section. Let's see. It doesn't matter if you are in a no contact situation, a separation situation, a third party situation, or whatsoever. Majority of you will resonate with this particular reading, and the very first card that we have is the Death card. A strong transformation is what I see. You may be dealing with a heavy Scorpio energy here, Sun, Moon, Rising, or Venus sign. I do see that there is a heavy transformation going on, either in your connection with this person, or within you, or in this situation right now. There seems to be a sudden ending, a very painful one, but this particular ending is not forever. Definitely there has been an ending in your connection. I do see that with the Magician card, either you have gone for a spell work with me, or somebody, or you're manifesting it day in and out to revive this particular connection. You are trying your level best, you're trying to stay strong, you're trying to stay positive. But here comes Three of Swords. You are in pain, you are in misery right now, you are in grief right now, and you really don't know which path or which direction you should take, where you should move forward, where is it that what the future holds for you and for your person right now. With the Three of Swords, I see that there can be a third party situation involvement here. There are chances that a third energy can be also involved in this particular connection. That is why they kind of ended the connection with you, and now you are in pain. And you are thinking whether this particular connection is ever going to revive or not. You are keeping very strong, you're standing very strong. You may be visiting temples, you may be praying churches. Basically, you are looking inwards, you have turned towards spirituality, and this is a time wherein there is a heavy transformation which is going on within you, inside you. I feel that you may be even getting spell work done, or you be doing things to get this person back in your life. You want this person to realize, you want this person to come back to you, apologize for the pain, the hurt, the agony, the misery, and the endings that they have caused to this particular relationship. And right now, with the Wheel of Fortune, I feel that whatever you guys are going through, it is a part of this cycle, it is a part of a bigger cycle. Okay. uh you were supposed to pay off these karmic debts before anything good can happen in this particular connection. I do see that the Wheel of Fortune, okay, everything is up in the air right now for you, for your person. Nothing is making sense for them, for you, none of you. But the Wheel of Fortune is soon going to shift or turn in your favor in the month of October. I know it is a little bit more time, but I do see that the wheel is going to turn in the positive direction in the month of October, and things are going to become better in your favor. Maybe this person who left you or who ended the connection because of the third party, that can be anybody, their past person, a new person, their family member, mother, sister, somebody who did try to influence. Third party can be anybody. By the way, guys, if this is what you're going through, then go for the 7 days third party removal from your connection spell work with me. You can book it right away. By the way, guys, as I see with the moon card and with the king of wands, there are a lot of fears, there are a lot of phobias. You really want this person to realize, you really want them to reach out to you. However, you're so worried that you're not able to sleep at night. You may be dreaming about them. You may be, you see them in your dreams, and you really don't know what is going to happen. Are they ever going to leave the third party and come forward towards you, or is it just over between you and them? Something within you tells you that it is not over, and they are going to reach out. You're manifesting, and you want to be successful. You know that they are going to come back looking for you. You may be dealing with a heavy Piscean energy over here, somebody with a heavy Gemini, Scorpio, heavy Jupiter transit is happening. But I do see that you are very hopeful that this person is going to come forward, reach out to you, and they are going to give you the much awaited stability and security that you have been looking for. Okay, very, very, very. I see that things are going to be very different if they are going to reach out to you. I see things are going to be very, very different here. I see the Ace of Pentacles. You're looking for a commitment, you're looking for a partnership, and I do see that after some point of time, like 6 weeks. So we have September, we have August, and like I said, around October, things will start moving in the positive direction in your connection, and this person is going to come forward, offer you this cup of love with a very strong stability. Okay, this person is not going to come just like that, like just for some time. This person is now going to come and offer you a very strong stability in this particular connection, and I do see that this particular connection is a soulmate connection. So this connection is just not something which you feel, or you may feel that this person can be be easily influenced and can move on from you. The fact is that this is a soulmate connection, and the divine itself is protecting this particular connection. They are going to come forward in the upcoming 2 months, and they are going to offer you this stability. They are stalking you, by the way, guys. They are stalking you, they are keeping an eye on you. So in case if you've been thinking that this person has completely forgotten you, then the answer is absolutely not, because they are still stalking you. Even if they are with a third party, or there is a third party situation, this person is very, very, very much involved in your life, probably through social media, through common friends, through common people. They can get information about you, and this person seems to be very much, very much involved in your life. They are trying to get everything, every information about you, whether you're still there, you have moved on, are you trying to inquire about them or not. So they haven't moved on. Okay, they haven't been able to move on. Like, you are in fears and phobias, and you're feeling that hurt. Okay, this person is feeling that too. Right now they are trying to, maybe dealing with a Sagittarius here. Right now they may have walked away in this from this particular connection. They are focusing on their work. Okay, there is a lot of spirituality, inward thinkings. There is a lot of internal shuffling, or let's say internal thoughts which are going on. They are trying to make sense of everything, and I do see that they are trying to be patient. They are trying to heal this particular situation and themselves right now, because at the end of the day, it's all about stability, it's all about commitment. They may have told you that they want to marry you, or probably you thought that they will ever marry you, and right now they are trying to heal. They don't want to take any step in impulse, and you will notice that this person is keeping very calm right now, but not for long, because I do see that out of impulse this person may try to reach out to you. There's a lady figure influence here again. It's showing me here, third party. This particular reading is screaming influence, third party situation, lot of influence, lot of influence. So in case if that is the situation, guys, please go for a love, reconciliation, and communication spell work with me, and go for 7 days third party removal. And trust me, my clients have benefited a lot of out of it, and you can book it right now. The slots are open for Friday and Saturday spell work. The Seven of Wands, again, they have pushed you away because they got influence from this negative figure, negative lady figure in their life, and out of impulse they kind of blocked you, pushed you away energetically or blocked you on social media profile. They may have told you that they are okay being friends, but not nothing more than that. There is again third party energy in this particular situation for few of you. I do see that they are trying to get over this thing, over in the sense they're trying to come out of this thing. They are partying way too much. They're going out with friends, but the fact is that they are still very passionate. They feel very passionate towards you. They're very attracted towards you. They still want to have a family with you, and they want to reach out to you, but right now they have ghosted you. They are acting cold because of the influence, okay, that they have got from the third party, or somebody who's very close to them. The star tells me that they are very hopeful, maybe dealing with a strong Aquarius here, sun, moon, rising on Venus, and they're still very hopeful that even though things have gotten worse between you and them, they have blocked you, you have blocked them, or energetically you guys have pushed each other back, there has been fights, blah blah, whatever the situation is, but they are still hopeful. They are not able to sleep at night. In upcoming days, I see them taking action. I see them regretting, okay. They are going to regret a lot. Right now they may not be taking any action. They are just sitting in silence waiting, but in upcoming 5 to 6 weeks they are going to feel bad about how they behaved with you, and they will get obsessed about what wrong they did to you, okay. Their guilt will not let them live peacefully without confessing it to you, without communicating to you. So that push is going to break their silence. They are going to reach out to you. The no contact situation is going to break, and this person is going to tell you everything why they were juggling in this situation. They try to prioritize you. The love, the care is still there. Why they never showed or expressed it to you? Why is it that they became so stubborn and they did not hear you? Why is it that they left this particular connection but still wasn't able to move on from you? Because they thought that you are the one. They never wanted to go away, but because of the choices, influences, the so much of illusion that was created because of the outside people in their mind, they took this step out of impulse. But the fact is, their heart still lies with you. Their heart is romantically, passionately attached to you, attracted to you. They cannot think of moving on from you. The Empress tells me that they still care for you. The emotional bond is very, very strong with you, and they want to come forward. They will be taking steps. They want to come forward. There has been a lot of delays and roadblocks in this situation, they understand, but it's a high time. When they will decide to come forward, they know that you may be angry, you may be upset, you may not let them in, but they will convince you. They are going to convince you, and you know uh, they will prove themselves that this time they are in it for good. And by the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do that ASAP, because I upload daily energy videos, and this video will be uploaded there. It will not be available here. So if you've missed out to anything, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the daily videos there as well. So I'm gonna take your leave, and in case if you're looking for a one-on-one session, please feel free to reach out to me, or you can WhatsApp me, you can DM me, and I'll be happy to do a personalized tailor session for you and read cards for you. In case if you are looking for a spell work booking, then go ahead and book that. For this particular reading that I did, 7 days third party removal in 7 days, love, reconciliation, and communication spell work are the best spell work, and if you want to see the results faster. So thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna see you later. Bye bye.